Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, we successfully able to display our toaster message. Right now, if you change anything, click as a save. Now that should be display our toaster message as an admin profile updated successfully. So it's very interactive. Now friend, I want to do when you log out. When you log out, then that should be also display another message as a admin logout. And also when you log in, that should be also display as a logging successfully. So how to do this work? Because here I have already load our toaster. So for the adding the toaster, I have already done everything. That is some of the script I have already loaded in our admin dashboard. Now that should be work. So first of all, I want to complete our logout. Okay, that means when you log out, then that should be display one of the message. So for the logout, I have already created one of the method in our admin controller. You can see that is our admin logout. So here that will be I want to display it in particular that area. So if you want to display better, I want to copy this notification. So that will be just like that same. I copy it, and now here after that one I want to paste it. So now that is our notification will be display as a admin logout. Okay, logout successfully. This type of one of the message it should be display. Okay, and our type alert type will be as a success. You can use it as a success if you want to use it as a warning, error, and then info. Okay, now I want to use it as a success, which is fine, or rather than better I want to use another different color as an info color. Okay, I make it as an info. Great. And now that will be return redirect to our URL. Here I have already passed that our URL, and after that URL I want to pass that same with our notification. Okay, so that will be with our that is the notification. Great. So friend, that's all we have to do for the logout. Okay, now let's check this out. If you now click as a save all, and now if you go, I want to refresh it. And also here one things here also we have to update. Like if you go to a logout page, that is our admin logout page, right? If you go as a admin logout page, you can see that is our admin logout page. Here I have already loaded as a admin logout page. That means in our admin controller, admin logout page, you can see that is an admin logout, right? That means admin logout, one of the page I have already created in our admin, and here that is actually different type of things. Here I have already separated all that our CSS and JSS, right? Like if you go to our admin and admin logout page, into the admin logout page, you can see that is already I have separated all that our CSS, that is different one individual template, right? Here also now we have to load that our toaster, rather than that will be not work, which I have already added in our admin dashboard. Better three things now we have to add. First of all, I want to take that our toaster, copy it. Now in our admin logout, into the admin logout, I want to load our toaster CSS. Great. Okay, great. And also we have to load another two of this as a toaster JS, min.js, and then script. Okay, I copy it, and now in our admin logout, that is individual one of the page. So here also we have to update. You can see there is also another script. After that I want to paste it. Simple things. Okay, great. Now that should be displayed. Okay, now that should be redirected to our particular that page, and it should be get that our toaster all that information. Now click as a save all. Now list that should be worked. Now click as a refresh, and now I want to click as a logout. It's redirected to a logout. Yes, you can see successfully display as an admin logout successfully. Okay, it's successfully displayed because here that is another CSS, another JSS I have already loaded. For the reasons here also we have to update. Great. And now our another job I want to do when you successfully logged in. Okay, when you successfully logging by the admin, then I also want to display another notification. So here we have already done this job in our which place. If you now go to our auth, that means in our HTTP auth and in our authenticated session controller, here you can see I have already passed everything from to this area. Everything I pass it for the admin dashboard, else it will be redirected to our dashboard. So now we have to load this notification in here. So better from our admin controller, I want to get this notification. So that will be same. I copy it, and now in our authenticated session controller, into the authenticated session controller, after that one I want to paste it. So that is our notification message will be displayed as a logging successfully. Okay, logging successful. Also I want to use it as a better info. That will be the info type. Great. And now that is the notification also now I want to pass it before I pass that, I'll indent our URL, and after that I want to pass that with our notification. Sorry, that will be with the notification. Great. So now both of these should be updated in our admin, that means in our admin dashboard, and also when user will be logging, user should be also get this notification. Great. So friend, that's all you have to do. Okay, that means in our authenticated session controller, from here you can actually manage it. Now let's check this out. Click as a save all. Now that should be display message as a logging successful. Now I want to refresh it. And now if you put your appropriate admin address, 111 password, now click as a login. You can see successfully logging, and also is display successfully as a logging successful. Great. So now that is display logging successful. That is a logout. Yeah, admin logout successfully. Great. So how to do this work, friend? I hope it's very much clear to you. In our next video, I also want to do another work which is very important as a change password. That means if this, I am already now logging with our one of the password. Here I have already seen this data in our database. Now I want to do admin. If this admin want to change their password, how to do this change password functionality with using some of the multiple validation. I will show you everything with the live example. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.